Hey friends, you must be knowing about the Dolby sound in movie theaters, which is very important for creating a realistic audio impact. However, with laptops, we have a similar feature called Dolby Atmos, and if it doesn't work on your computer, then please watch this video for the resolutions. So the first solution is to disable exclusive mode. How? Right click on the system tray and select sound settings. Scroll down and click on more sound settings. Right click on the green ticked audio output in the playback section and then select properties. Now go to the advanced tab. Under exclusive mode, make sure that both of these checkboxes are checked and then click on apply and then on OK. The next solution is to run the audio troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select troubleshoot, select other troubleshooters. Click on run corresponding to the audio troubleshooter. The next solution is to update audio drivers. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager window. Expand the list for audio inputs and outputs. Right click on the first one, update driver, update it. Right click on the second one, update driver, update it. Third one, update driver and update it. The next solution is to repair and reset the Dolby Access app. How do we do that? Search for Dolby Access in the Windows search bar and click on app settings in the right pane. Now scroll down and click on repair. If it helps, well and good. If not, then reset and then reset it. Now this is one solution. If it doesn't work, then the final solution will be to reinstall the application. So uninstall it and then uninstall it once again. I won't uninstall it or else it will impact the audio of this recording, but you can uninstall it completely. Then open the Microsoft Store, search for Dolby and hit enter and go to the Dolby Access app and then install it from here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.